On behalf of Mr. Mr. McLean, please state your name for the court.
Michael McClure.
The court begins by calling the case involving Mr. McLean. The judge asks him to state his name for the record and briefly confirms the next hearing date. After checking the schedule, the court sets the next appearance for March 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. The bond will remain in place as the case continues.
Will the 5th work for?
Yes.
March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Malik Robinson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Reading.
Wendy Barnwell, P42 505, on behalf of Mr. Robinson, who's present.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I'm doing okay. Your name?
Malik Robinson.
The court then calls the case of Malik Robinson. His attorney appears on his behalf while Robinson stands before the judge. The judge reviews the plea form and explains that Robinson intends to plead guilty to an added charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a first responder. In exchange for this plea, the original charge will be dismissed.
But he's not seeking hideout.
He's not hiding out.
He's not. I got it.
3 days past eligibility. Just had a birthday.
Got it. Okay. All right. Let's have him.
Right here. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Malik Robinson.
You can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a first responder. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Garwood in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand by pleading guilty, you'll not have a charge?
The judge continues questioning Robinson to confirm that the plea is voluntary. Robinson confirms that no one threatened or forced him to plead guilty, and that he understands he is giving up his right to a trial. The judge then asked him to explain what happened during the incident involving police officers at a residence in Ann Arbor.
I was told some rules. I was given the order and then followed.
Okay. What order were you given?
To leave the premises.
Okay, so you weren't supposed to be there?
I was coming to grab my things.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Why was the officer asking you to leave?
Your Honor, the officer was asking him to leave so that things would calm down. To leave 2 hours for at least 2 hours or 24 hours.
Okay, so that's
After hearing Robinson's explanation, the judge determines that the facts support the charge and officially accepts the guilty plea. The court dismisses the first count and orders a pre-sentence investigation report. Robinson's sentencing is scheduled for March 17th, 2026 before Judge Garwood.
Not for real.
It would have been better just to listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, you want, and you knew, I should ask you, you knew that they were officers acting in their lawful duty, acting as their lawful. All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None, Judge.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant plead guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. A pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
17th at 9 a.m.
March 17th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Garwood. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you, sir.
Judge, I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, I don't have another date, so you.
Okay, so I pick it up with them. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court does call the case. People versus Rita. Get it?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Steve Tremontin with and on behalf of the defendant, Dr. Rita Giddick. Dr. Giddick, could you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Dr. Rita Giddick.
Yeah, thank you. What are we doing?
We're asking for an exam date, Your Honor. Best March.
Discovery is complete.
Correct. I have not been informed that there's any discovery they have that I don't.
And would people have their witnesses available the third? Preliminary examination in person will be set March 3rd, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Court calls case of the people versus Lisa Keebler.
Uwe Dawes with and on behalf of Ms. Keebler here for the first probable cause conference after her arraignment. Lisa's taking name for the court.
What's your name?
Lisa Keebler.
Thank you.
There is a green sheet discovery, a journal request in the file for ongoing discovery evaluation. This is really Mr. Shea's case much more than mine, and he couldn't be here today.
Yeah, I understand that. Do you say how much time
He was looking for 3 weeks, March 12th.
3
please.
weeks, March 12th. No objection. Probable cause conference then will be adjourned March 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond in this case will continue. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
Court does call the case, People versus Ethan Jordan.
Afternoon, Your Honor. People.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Orlando Simone, Student Legal Services. On behalf and with Mr. Jordan. You state your name?
Ethan Jordan. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we put in a request for a brief adjournment. I'm still looking for some additional discovery. Some body cam. Talk to Mr. Cook. We should be able to get that and take a look at it.
And Your Honor, we have that. It just needs to get to Mr. Orlando.
Got it. 12th work.
We're good with the 5th. If you prefer the 12th, we can do the 12th.
You want the 5th? What do you want? What day you want? I don't usually ask that. The 12th or the 5th?
I'll take the
Pick a date.
I'll take the 5th.
Thank you. You'll take the 5th. Yeah, you just got that. All right. March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right.
Excellent. It's too big of an opening.
Yes, it was. Fine. We'll continue.
Served it up nicely. Thank you.
Good seeing
Good
you.
to see you. Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Haley Garcia.
Afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook of People.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Maxwell Cleveland, C number 86012. On behalf of Ms. Garcia, who appeared via Zoom.
Adam John Allen, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have discussed this with the prosecutor. We're in negotiations. We'd like to see if we can get my client admitted into sobriety court. So we would like to adjourn this matter. I think maybe 30
Which
days.
court?
So, Your Honor, he lives on the east side of Detroit, so I was thinking either St. Clair Shores or Warren because those are closer to him.
He's in Wayne County, though, right?
Correct.
You need a green sheet filled out. I'll give you the adjournment. I'll adjourn this matter to March 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. Our adjournment right indicates bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I do have another matter. I don't know if you-
What?
I do have another case. Oh, no. I do have another case. I don't know if you were Or should I be seated and wait?
How does that work usually? No, how does
All right.
how does that?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No,
It's been a
I
little.
got another one here. I don't know. Did I change something now? Okay, didn't think so. Court does call the case People versus Joshua Steuben. And see, I knew it was going to be the next one, but I was going to make you go back there anyway because I only had one case.
Deborah Schlossel on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Joshua Steuben. Your Honor,
State your name.
Joshua Steuben.
Thank you.
sorry, Your Honor, I'm a little off guard. Your Honor, he also would like to adjourn this matter out 30 days for the purpose of plea negotiations.
Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor, it's not, there's some media that need to get to defense counsel as well. We have that, I just need to make the.
I said that one.
That is correct, Your Honor.
March 19th, 2026.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will fill out a
Yeah.
due form for.
Bond will continue, and I don't think you have another case because I don't have any more files.
No, I don't.
So you're good. I'll need a green sheet on both.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor.